In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow trusted email domains in a Notion workspace. Whether you're managing a collaborative team or simply want to ensure that only trusted individuals can join your Notion workspace, understanding how to configure allowed email domains is essential. This process will help you maintain a secure and organized environment, allowing you to control who can become a member of your workspace with ease. To begin, open your Notion application. Make sure you're signed in using a Workspace owner account. This is important because only Workspace owners have the necessary permissions to change these settings. Once you're in and ready to go, shift your attention to the left sidebar and look for the Settings option. Click on it to open the Settings menu. Within this menu, you'll find a range of controls for customizing your workspace. But what we're looking for is General. Select this tab to move into a section that includes several general settings for your workspace. Now your goal is to locate the allowed email domain setting. You might need to scroll a bit to find this section, as it's not always positioned right at the top. This specific setting allows you to specify which email domains are trusted to join your workspace. It's a handy feature when you want to keep the workspace accessible only to people from certain organizations or domains, thereby maintaining a level of control and security over what can be an essential tool for collaboration. Once you've found the allowed email domain section, it's time to add your trusted domain. Look for an option that says Add Domain or Add Allowed Domain and click on it. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter the domain name you'd like to permit. It's crucial to remember that you're entering just the domain name, not a full email address. For instance, if your organization uses the domain yourcompany.com, then that's exactly what you should type in. Similarly, if example.org is your domain, it's just that, example.org, that you'll enter. After you've added the necessary domain, make sure that the changes are saved. There should be an option to save or confirm the changes you've made. Clicking this will ensure that the new domain is registered as trusted, allowing anyone with an email address at that domain to join your Notion workspace. Checking that your settings have been updated correctly is also a good habit, ensuring that everything is as you intended. And there you have it, a straightforward yet crucial task that empowers you to dictate who can access your workspace. With this, you can confidently extend access to trusted team members knowing that your workspace remains secure and reliable. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to check out some of our other guides for more tips on effectively managing your Notion workspace.